Hey guys, so I was gifted the Dilly Dilly portable USB ceiling fan with LED light and remote. Finest feedback. Cool breeze plus soft lighting equals unlimited portable setup. This Dilly Dilly USB ceiling fan is perfect for camping, RVs, patios, tents, and even indoor spaces. With 4 fan speeds, 3 light modes, and a remote control, you stay cool and comfortable wherever you are. It's compact, 16.5 inches with 6 detachable blades, USB powered and energy efficient. Easy to hang, no tools needed. It's linked in my Amazon storefront, and I definitely recommend it.